Setting up link backup hot failover. Now we're going to set up hot failover for your InHand 305 router. The first step is to use another Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the cable into your home office router and the other into the WAN slot on the InHand router. Once that's done, go to Network, WAN. Select Dynamic Address, DHCP from the drop-down menu, and click Apply. This enables the WAN port. Next, go to Status, Network Connections, and make sure that WAN and Cellular are connected. Now go to Network Link Backup. Select Enable, and then Hot Failover. Make sure that WAN is listed as the main link and Cellular is listed as the backup link. For ICMP detection server, type in 8.8.8.8. Hit Apply. Go to Status, Route Table. Here, you should see the default option listed as your main link, WAN. To make sure this has been set up correctly, disconnect the WAN cable from the InHand router while staying on this screen. You should see the default option switch to the backup link, Cellular, after a few seconds. Reconnect your WAN cable and wait a few seconds. The default option should switch back to the main link. Now you've successfully set up link backup hot failover for your router. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what other videos you'd like to see in the comments below.